Welcome back to F1 Blogs, the channel where we break down all the drama, excitement, and behind-the-scenes moves in Formula One. Today, we're diving into a major shakeup at Alpine as Esteban Ocon is benched for the season finale in Abu Dhabi, allowing rookie Jack Doohan to make his debut. What's the reason behind this controversial decision? How does it impact the drivers' market and Alpine's future? Let's get into the details. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the F1 Blogs family for all the latest updates. Alpine benches Ocon for Abu Dhabi. The news is now official, Esteban Ocon will not race in the Abu Dhabi GP. Instead, Jack Doohan, Alpine's rookie driver for 2025, will take his place. This decision comes as part of an agreement between Ocon and Alpine, allowing the French driver to participate in the post-season tests with Haas, his new team for next year. While such agreements aren't entirely unheard of, this one has stirred controversy. Ocon's final moments with Alpine will be remembered not for a grand farewell but for sitting out a race weekend, an unceremonious end to his 5-year stint with the team. How did it come to this? The move appears to be the brainchild of Flavio Briatore, Alpine's advisor, who proposed a strategic compromise. Ocon, eager to familiarize himself with Haas ahead of the 2025 season, requested permission to join their testing program. However, Alpine imposed a condition: Ocon would have to give up his seat for the season finale, allowing Jack Doohan to gain valuable race experience before his full-time debut next year. For Alpine, this decision kills two birds with one stone. They get a chance to evaluate Doohan under real race conditions while giving their departing driver a head start with Haas. A bitter end for Ocon. Esteban Ocon leaves Alpine under less than ideal circumstances. After 5 seasons, a victory in Hungary 2021, and several memorable podiums, Ocon has been outshone this year by his teammate, Pierre Gasly. His season ended abruptly in Qatar, where a crash on the first lap took him out of the race. Now, with Yas Marina out of the picture, Ocon's departure feels like a quiet exit through the back door. Despite this, Ocon's future with Haas offers a fresh start. He'll team up with rookie Oliver Bearman, and both drivers will aim to push Haas into a more competitive position. The debut of Jack Doohan. Jack Doohan's debut is a moment of anticipation for Alpine and fans alike. As the son of legendary motorcycle racer Mick Doohan, Jack brings high expectations. His performances in junior categories have earned him this opportunity, and Abu Dhabi will serve as a trial by fire. For Doohan, the pressure is immense. With rumors swirling about Alpine's interest in other drivers, such as Franco Colapinto, every lap at Yas Marina will be scrutinized. A strong showing could solidify his place, while any mistakes might open the door for other contenders. What does this mean for the driver market? Alpine's decision to sideline Ocon highlights the ongoing turbulence in the F1 driver market. Beyond Alpine, teams like Red Bull, Williams, and Sauber are still finalizing their lineups. Franco Colapinto's name has been making waves, with his combination of talent and sponsorship appeal drawing interest from multiple teams. Meanwhile, Red Bull faces a dilemma with 4 drivers: Checo Perez, Liam Lawson, Isaac Hadjar, and Colapinto, vying for 2 seats. Alpine's move to showcase Doohan at Abu Dhabi could be a strategic play to counter this crowded market. If Doohan impresses, Alpine might lock him in as their long-term investment, fending off interest in other emerging stars. Ocon's legacy at Alpine. Despite the bittersweet ending, Ocon's tenure at Alpine shouldn't be overlooked. His 2021 victory in Hungary stands out as a career highlight, and his defensive driving against Fernando Alonso during their time as teammates earned him respect. However, this season has been challenging. Outperformed by Gasly in the latter half of the year, Ocon's struggles have raised questions about his consistency. As he transitions to Haas, Ocon's focus will shift to proving himself in a new environment, while Alpine turns the page with Doohan. Final thoughts. Alpine's decision to prioritize the future over sentimentality is a bold move. Jack Doohan's debut at Abu Dhabi marks the start of a new chapter for the team, but it also underscores the ruthless nature of F1. For Esteban Ocon, the test with Haas represents a chance to move forward, but his unceremonious exit from Alpine serves as a reminder of how quickly fortunes can change in Formula One. OUTRO, that's all for today's video on F1 blogs. What do you think about Alpine's decision to bench Ocon? Will Jack Doohan rise to the occasion, or is Alpine taking too big of a risk? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to F1 blogs for more in-depth coverage of the greatest motorsport on the planet. See you at the Abu Dhabi GP.